Hello there and welcome to a new vlog. It's nice to see you guys tuning in. I just drove from Hanoi to Cat Ba Island, which is on the edge of Halong Bay, and yeah, I bought myself an epic motorbike. Okay, to be honest, the motorbike is pretty shit. I mean, it already broke down for the first time on the second day. But yeah, it was only about $2.50 to fix it, and even the motorbike only cost me around $150. So as long as it gets me up to Ho Chi Minh, it's alright. So I'm back at the hostel now. It's called Central Backpackers and it's just outside the city of Cat Ba. And it's really nice, yeah. I mean, check out this. Can't complain about that. Anyway, the reason I came to Cat Ba Island is because I want to do a tour to Halong Bay, and it's cheaper if you do it from here than if you book it in Hanoi, because it doesn't include transfer and everything. And yeah, I just booked it right at the hostel for tomorrow. It was only $16, so I think I'm gonna go see you guys tomorrow there. Good morning everyone. On a boat right now and we're about to go to Halong Bay. It's beautiful weather out, and yeah, I think the first thing we're gonna do is kayaking, so I'm really excited. The nature also looks very beautiful already, so yeah, let's get this adventure started. So we just did the kayaking and now we ate some lunch here on the boat. And I gotta say, the kayaking was actually pretty cool because you got to explore some of the less crowded parts of the bay on your own. And yeah, I think I got some really cool shots, like us kayaking through the bay. So yeah, now I think we're gonna drive to more of the center of the bay to like get to some viewpoint, and in the afternoon we're probably gonna go to a monkey island. So I just flew the drone from the pier where we went kayaking, and yeah, then like the captain told us the boat is leaving, and I got on the boat and I thought, cool, then I can get some tracking shots of the boat, like with the drone. And yeah, eventually I found myself flying really high, getting those nice shots and kind of losing track of the boat. And yeah, then like the connection got really bad and I almost couldn't see anything. And I thought, okay, maybe I'll just fly the drone back to the pier where I started it, and I barely made it there, could land, and then I had to tell the driver of the boat that he has to turn around to get my drone. Yeah, I mean, it just took us like 10 or 15 minutes, but I'm feeling kind of bad that the whole boat had to turn around just because of me. But yeah, at least I got some nice drone shots, you know. That's the most important part. So we just chilled a little here at this private beach back there, and we also did some jumping off the roof of the boat. That was quite fun. And now I think we're off to Monkey Island. Yeah, gonna see if we meet some monkeys. We arrived at Monkey Island, and there's already some monkeys up there in trees, but yeah, this place is quite crowded, so there's a lot of boats stopping here, and you can also see the people behind me on the beach. Yeah, it's really touristy. So I hiked a little around on this Monkey Island, got to this nice viewpoint, not too bad, but the strange thing is it's called Monkey Island, but like the only part where I've seen monkeys is right down at the beach where the trees are, where all the tourists are chilling, and I'm not sure if there's really monkeys on this island, I mean in the forest, or if they're just down there. I mean, it seems almost like in a zoo. Can just chill around with tons of other people and watch these monkeys and maybe feed them a banana or something, but yeah, it's more like in a zoo, not that nice. So we're almost on top of Monkey Island now, and even though it's really sketchy because there's not even a flat surface, I'll try to launch a drone. I mean, this place is so epic, I gotta show you some clips. Okay.
Here we go.
This beach is packed. So yeah, that was Monkey Island. A very touristy place, to be honest, but it was worth hiking up there. It was kind of a climb. You really had to climb up there, and there were like really sharp rocks, but yeah, I was glad I did it. I'm also happy that I flew the drone. I got some really epic shots. And now we're gonna go on the boat and go back to Kat Ba.
Are we all going back tomorrow? A different place.
Bye. So we made it back to Kat Ba. We're just chilling outside the bay, enjoying the sunset. And yeah, that was my trip to Halong Bay. I can really recommend doing a trip like this from Cat Ba because it's just cheaper than if you do it from Hanoi. And also be sure to do like a trip with kayaking, because even though you might have to wait a little while before you get your kayak, but then you can just paddle around wherever you want and like experience the less tourister sites than on the boat. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna I'm gonna drive my bike to Hanoi back probably, and from there I want to go to the north of Vietnam. So I think I might fly the drone later to like, you know, fade out the video. So see you guys in the next one.